Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to start with a quote of my own. Don't make somebody to laugh because they'll eventually laugh at your failure, and don't try to impress somebody because let your success do that for you. How many of you are familiar with the concept of inferior complexity and its causes? For instance, I am currently uploading a video to YouTube featuring my voice, and I am worried about how my voice will be received by the viewers. It is quite common for a person to experience symptoms of inferior complex. For example, here are some other examples. Let me start with a student may have fear of failure in exams. A friend in a gang may be afraid of what other members of the group might do to him. For example, if you upload a picture to your social media, you may wonder how others will react to it in comment section. There are many such instances like that. If you draw a picture and you don't want to show it to others because of fear, how they will react again here. So, to overcome this, you have to lose your fear, you have to gain confidence. You don't have to think about any other person in the world, you just think about yourself. You have to do what you believe, you have to do what you love. There is no need to think about other persons. For example, if you don't have a job and you are roaming in your village, there are many people who ask you, he didn't get a job, he didn't have a job, he's still roaming here without any job while others are doing job. Don't get tension or don't feel losing confidence. Don't lose confidence. Never ever do that. You will get success one day only when you keep trying hard day by day. That's it how you are gonna do it. So don't speak to anyone who are commenting or trolling you. Let your success do that for you. Only speak with success, not with your words, only with your actions. Until then, don't react to any such kind of trolls or whatever people doing to you. You have to be confident to do that. So I am also the one of the person who is struggling with inferior complexity. That's why I am making this video for us guys. That's it. If you like the video, please do share it to the others who have been struggling with the same. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye. By the way, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.